Step for ship damage and stability recovery. Immediate response. Detect and assist. Identify damage location, cause extant water egress cargo ship or structural failure. Sound alarm. Notify bridge engine room and crew. Activate emergency station. Report. Inform master company and relevant authorities. Mark status. Notes time, position, weather, and initial stability condition. Less trim GM. Number 2, control and minimize damage. Stop, ingress, close, watertight doors. Hatches, valves, plug, clutch, click, pump out water from effective spaces. Circle, cargo, prevent further shift, restow or lash if safe, adjust power navigation, reduce speed after course to minimize strain or water entry, avoids sharp turn, action to regain stability to correct left side tip, transfer ballast, move water from high side to low side tank, fill empty tank, add ballast on low side surface, spread shifts weight, move cargo equipment to lower opposite side if possible and safe, counter flood only if necessary, and calculated flood compartment on the high side. Risks must avoid reducing GM to the match. To correct trim, bows term down, transfer ballast forward up to level the ship, adjust fill water tank to even with distribution. To improve GM, metocentric height, stability margin, lower center for gravity, fill lower tank, empathy, upper tank more heavy item lower. Reduce pre-surface, minimize number of partially filled tank, use bulkhead or anti-rolling tank. Avoid adding weight high or do not have heavy item on dock or upper level. Number 4, counter check effectiveness. Monitor less trim, check inclometers, drop mark, and visual reference. It should be reduced, disappear. Seek GM and stability data. Use stability booklet software to confirm GM positive and within safe limits. Waters, labor check, verify no further rise in damages, adjust can species pumping rate, ingress rate, structural check, ensure no new crack movement or worsening damage. Free surface review, confirm tank lever as stable, no unexpected ship, text maneuverability, slow turn speed changes, ship should be respond normally, no exclusive roll hell, reaccess, update stability status, repeat action if needed. Final step, documents all action, reading, and changes. Maintain a continuous monitoring until safe or assistant arrives.